Hello and welcome, one and all, to Essential Tools You'll Use in Your Life. I'm your host, Mr. Phillips, and in this final episode of the series, we will discuss the toolbox and some honorable mentions. So, what is a toolbox, or toolkit, tool chest, tool bag? It is simply a box or a bag to organize, carry, and protect the owner's tools. They could be used for trade, a hobby, or DIY, and their contents vary with the craft of the owner. Toolboxes could be made from steel, wood, plastic, and even aluminum. In your case, I've recommended so far 11 different tools throughout this series, and the toolbox is a great tool to house them along with some of the honorable mentions that we'll get to later. So let us review the tool list from this series that you can house in your toolbox or tool bag. The claw hammer, the screwdriver set, either a Phillips head or a straight head, your tape measure, your adjustable wrench, hexagonal keys or Allen keys or Allen wrenches, the bubble or spirit level, utility knife, your pliers set, which includes your needle nose pliers, your diagonal pliers, your slip joint pliers, and your lineman pliers, your putty knife, various sizes, power drill, stud finder, and your toolbox as the 12th essential tool you'll use in your life. I now would like to discuss some tools that I consider to be some honorable mention. Extension cord, very valuable tool to have when where you need to work does not reach a power outlet. Extension cord to the rescue. Also, the extension cord is very vital for exterior illumination during the holiday season. Zip ties, wonderful tool to have for organizing cords and cables, especially around your entertainment center. If you were to look up zip tie hacks on Google, Pinterest, or YouTube, you will find many creative ways people utilize zip ties. Multi-purpose glue. This can be used to repair broken furniture, dishes, decorations, etc. Paintbrush. At some point, you will paint your house or a room in your house or your apartment. So a paintbrush will be very handy in that situation. Safety glasses. Safety first. A step stool or even a step ladder. Great for reaching that casserole dish in the top kitchen cabinet shelf. Of course, also can assist you to reach anything in very high places. Tape, either Teflon tape, electrical tape, or duct tape. You know, we have a saying in southwestern PA about duct tape. If you can't duck it, I'll just let you fill in the blanks on the rest of that. Well, that is all for this episode. Thank you for tuning in. I hope that the information in this series will help you once you graduate high school as you head off into the real world. This is Mr. Phillips signing off from Essential Tools You Will Use in Your Life. See you later, alligators.